What's going on, guys? Real quick, I want to make a video on how to install an hour meter on your Toro Timecutter. There's a couple of these out there, but I'm gonna make one too. It's gonna be quick and simple. This is a 2022, real easy. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take this plate off right here. Just use your Phillips. As soon as you take that out, you got these two little tabs over here. You'll be able to take this off. You'll see this little white spot right there. You're gonna cut that out. All right, I cut that little piece out from the underside, from the back side. I'm gonna take my hour meter. I'm gonna put it in like this so I can read it when I'm sitting in the chair. I'm gonna put it in with this back on here because you're gonna need some pressure to put that down on there. Or it's gonna take some pressure, you're gonna need resistance to put that in there. Okay, there it is in there. It does take some pressure. What you're gonna wanna do is kind of get it in there perfect, feel it starting to seat, and then equal pressure on both sides. So I took both hands with my palms and kind of push it down in there. It pops right in. My cut on the paper wasn't very clean, but it doesn't matter. It fits right down in there. It's got the lip. It looks great. So what you do next, I'm gonna pick this up. Okay, it's got some prongs on the bottom of it right there. Well, this Toro comes with a little harness right here. It's taped to that wire. So let me get that off there. Okay, so I got that harness off there. It's just electrical taped on there. What do I do with that tape? It's down there on the ground. So that's really all it is. It's got these two prongs. It's going to plug right there into those. If I can do this with one hand. Couldn't really do it with one hand, but it goes into there. That's an extra one. It's not used. Put this back on here. Let's see here. Here we go. I'm gonna put it back under there. We'll pop it in. We will put this screw back in. And you're good to go. That is all it takes. Bought this little hour meter off of Amazon. It was like 17 bucks and some change. Took a day to come in. That's all you need to do. Simple and easy, and it's better than spending 100 bucks on it, or 85, 90 bucks, whatever Toro wants for it. So there you go.